This week's Parsha is Parshas Terumah. And we talk about the construction of the Mishkan and all the Kalim, right? Says one of the Kalim, the menorah. And the Torah says about the menorah, Miksha Teyaseh menorah. Of course it says Teyaseh, that the menorah shall be made, right? In the reflexive. So Rashi says, why? Because Moshe Rabbeinu had a difficulty with the menorah. He didn't understand the menorah. Something was not clear to him about the menorah. What's not clear about the menorah? Says the Chizkuni, the menorah is the only one of the Kalim that the Torah does not tell us its measures. It doesn't say how tall, it doesn't say how wide. It doesn't say. Okay? And therefore, Moshe Rabbeinu tells us the shape, doesn't say it exactly, okay? Okay, but okay, right, but it doesn't tell us, it tells us what has to go into the menorah, but it doesn't tell us the dimensions of the menorah. It says the Chizkuni, that's the difficulty that Moshe Rabbeinu had with the menorah. The Parsha says that the menorah is nochach hashulchan. The menorah is nochach hashulchan. What does that mean? So the Chizkuni says that that when it says El Mul Pnei HaMenorah Ya'iru Shiva Sanebras, that the candles shine opposite of the menorah. Says the Chizkuni, what that means is it shines on that which is opposite it on the shulchan. Very interesting interpretation of the pasuk. Okay, that interprets the pasuk El Mul Pnei HaMenorah. Usually we take that to mean that the menorah is shown upon itself. He says, no, it means the menorah is shown upon that which was opposite. El Mul, the opposite. What's the opposite? The shulchan. The menorah shines upon the shulchan. What's the idea? The idea is that the menorah represents Torah Shebaal Peh. Torah, right? The menorah represents the Torah Shebaal Peh. Where does Torah Shebaal Peh come? Torah Shebaal Peh comes from life. Now we have a Torah. We have a Torah given to the Rabban Shalom by Moshe, to Moshe. And now, fine, but now a situation arises in life. How am I supposed to apply it? What am I supposed to do with it? Therefore, we have Torah Shebaal Peh. Torah Shebaal Peh teaches me how to delve into the Torah and to derive how to apply all the aspects of Torah. Therefore, the shulchan comes first. One of the Mefarshim points out, shulchan was created first. Because before there's Torah Shebaal Peh, there's got to be life. When there's life, then the questions arise, how do you apply the Torah? So the shulchan comes first, right, which represents physical, right, material life. And now, how do I put the Torah? Do I apply the Torah to all those aspects of physical life? And therefore the menorah is shining on the shulchan. It's showing me how to live, how to use everything from the shulchan. And therefore, the menorah does not have dimensions, because Torah Shebaal Peh is applying to all the things that happen in life. And what happens in life? Things change, things become different, things broaden, we're in different places, we're in different aspects and different ways and different attitudes. Myriad things that come up. There's no top, there's no bottom, there's no breadth and depth, because all life is in Torah Shebaal Peh. So therefore, HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, there's no measure to the menorah. That's why it's difficult, because what do you do with it? That's what HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us the menorah for. And that's why Moshe Rabbeinu has difficulty. Because by Moshe Rabbeinu, everything is Bas Baklaria Meira. By Moshe Rabbeinu, he sees Nevuah clearly. But Torah Shabbat Peh is not clear. It comes from within the questions that arise that you have to start delving and seeing how to apply. Right? That's this depth and this height, the measures that Moshe Rabbeinu has difficulty with. But Mitzad Sheni, for us, it's the greatest bracha in the world. Because what it means is that there is nothing carved into stone in Torah Shabbat Peh. And therefore, the light that was yesterday is not the light for today. And therefore, we have our portion in Torah Shabbat Peh, just like Moshe Rabbeinu did. Because in the situations that arise in our lives, we have to bring in the Torah Shabbat Peh. We have to bring the light of the Torah. And that becomes our portion in Torah, just like Moshe Rabbeinu had his portion. That gives us a chelik in the light of the Torah forever.